DynaQ controller has Bluetooth capabilities to remotely monitor your cook from your smartphone or device. In this video, I'll show you how to connect your controller to your preferred Bluetooth device so you can get cooking. Begin by plugging in the pit probe. Next, insert the food probe, followed by the fan. Before powering your controller, be sure to assemble the power pack correctly. Align the key for the positive and negative leads between the power pack body and cable plug to ensure correct configuration. Improper assembly may result in permanent damage to your controller. Each probe's corresponding LED will illuminate on the DynaQ to indicate that the probes are seated correctly into the jacks. The next step is to connect your DynaQ to a Bluetooth device so you can monitor your cook via the BBQ Guru app. Search BBQ Guru in your iPhone or Android app store and download the app onto your phone. Once you've done that, load the app and follow the directions to pair with your DynaQ. If you're having trouble pairing, make sure your device's Bluetooth is on and try again. Once you've successfully paired, the blinking light on the bottom right of the controller's screen will be a solid blue. You'll then be asked to name your controller so you can tell the difference between your cook and your neighbor's. I think I'll name mine Best Barbecue Ever. By default, the app will have the pit temperature set at 250 degrees Fahrenheit and the food done temperature at 185 degrees Fahrenheit. You can change the temperature settings and toggle between Fahrenheit and Celsius in the app menu. I'm cooking chicken, so I'll leave my smoker at 250 degrees Fahrenheit and set the done temperature for 160 degrees Fahrenheit. The DynaQ's Smart Cook Adaptive Control Strategy is designed to continually learn what the pit is doing and adapt to many factors, including ambient temperature, amount of charcoal, and damper settings. The Smart Cook feature comes with 3 preset options to tailor the algorithm to suit your specific pit. Setting 1 is the default setting and the most often selected option. This setting is ideal for small, medium, and some large ceramic cookers, traditional kettles, and small cabinet smokers. Setting 2 is ideal for very efficient or insulated pits like the Monolith. Setting 3 is ideal for uninsulated or offset pits that are less efficient than an average pit, such as a bullet smoker or common horizontal offset smokers. To select the Smart Cook feature that best matches your pit setup, select option 1, 2, or 3 from the controller settings in the menu. To learn more about deviation settings, open lid detection, and ramp mode, take a look at the manual, which is accessible from the app. If the cook temperature deviates too high, you'll get an alert on your Bluetooth connected device. Alerts can be dismissed or turned off in the app.